take easily, so you can go and lie down while you are sitting. This is not good. If you don't have sufficient sleep from 10 to 4, it's not sufficient. Why you do like this? Whole day and night, whenever you sit down. What is this? Every one of you, more or less. What is the reason? Huh? Are you inattentive? That means like this? No. Unless one is tired or had no sufficient sleep, one cannot do like that. Not inattentive. Yes? Enough sleep. That means you require 24 hours sleep. Out of that, if you sleep for 10 hours, that is not sufficient. Your business is to sleep only. So 10 hours or 8 hours sleep is not sufficient. Kumbhakarna is like you are sleeping 6 months. 6 months. We are also sleeping 6 months in a year because we sleep generally 10 to 12 hours. So if you half day means half year. We are also all Kumbhakarnas. Anyone who sleeps more than 6 or 7 years, he is a Kumbhakarna. Kumbhakarna was the brother of Ravana. He was sleeping 6 months. And 6 months he was awake. That means anyone who sleeps out of 24 hours, anyone if he sleeps 12 hours, he is a Kumbhakarna. So, at least I think that one should not sleep more than 7 hours, at most. That is sufficient. Sufficient, 7 hours. So you can sleep 6 hours at night and 1 hour to rest in daytime, that is sufficient. And if you sleep more than that, then you are Kumbhakarna. So we should adjust things. Nidrahara viharakadi vijita. That's Goswami. Sankha purvaka namagana natibhi kalavasani krita. Nidrahara viharakadi vijito chattanto dino chajo. Radha Krishna Padaravinda Bhajananandi Namastaliko Bandi Rupa Sanatano. So we are followers of Rupanuga. We are followers of the Goswami. So their behavior, Sankha Purvaka Namakana Natihi Kalavasani, the whole time, 24 hours, was used in Krishna consciousness by chanting Hare Krishna mantra regularly and a fixed up with beads. So we have reduced that 16, but they were chanting, Haridasa Sadhu was chanting 4 times 64. That means 3 times 64. So 3 times 64 means 192 rounds. And we are giving only for 16 rounds. So don't ask you to imitate Haridasa Sadhu. But Sankha Purvaka. He will not sleep or he will not eat unless he has finished his 192 years. Sankha Purvaka Namagana. And Namagana and Natihi Raghunath Das Goswami was offering obeisances around the Radha Kunda hall. And that so many times I shall fall down. He was falling down. Still there are many devotees. They do that. You fall down, Dandavat. then from the point where your head is touching, you just have a line. Again stand there and fall down. Again stand there, fall down. Huh? Yeah. You see how much a good exercise it is. Huh? Just like I fall down in this way, flat. Then I make a line and I stand again in that line. Again fall down. Make a line. Again that line. In this way. Round. Tapasya. This is called tapas austerity. We should not take very leniently that when going to back to Godhead, of course there is so many concessions for the, but at the same time we should be very much aware of the responsibility that we have decided to go back to Godhead after leaving this body, so we have to perform some austerity. The austerity in our Gaudiya Sampradaya is very simple. Following the four principles, restriction, avoiding the offenses, and chanting, regular beads, that's all. And hearing, chanting and hearing, both things. Not only chanting, you have to hear Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way, we should engage 24 hours business. Hearing, chanting, when you speak, when you go to a lecture or preaching, there is also chanting when you speak. And automatically there is hearing. If you chant, there is hearing also. So Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, there is memorizing also. Unless you memorize all the conclusions of Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, you cannot speak. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, this is Archanam, Bandhanam, offering prayer. Hare Krishna is also prayer. Hare Krishna, oh Krishna, oh the energy of Krishna. Please engage me in your service. This Hare Krishna is simply prayer. So, Samanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasyam, always remain engaged as servant, Dasyam, Shakham, always sing that Krishna is your best friend, Atmanivedanam, and dedicating everything to Krishna. This is our process. And we have to be utilized under these processes 24 hours. Out of that, because we have got this body, it requires eating, sleeping, mating. So the arrangement is there. Eating is there, sleeping is there, mating is there, depending is there, but not excessive. Namagana, Sankhapurvaka namagana natibhi kalavasani nidraha viharakadi vijito. Vijit, the very word is used, vijit. You should not be conquered by them. Eating, sleeping, mating, depending required. But you should not be conquered by them. You shall conquer them. The Maya is forcing me that you sleep 24 hours. But I have to conquer Maya. No, I shall not sleep more than 7 hours. That is your business. If I ask, if you say, I don't know, that's not the answer. You have to, and how this Maya can be conquered? That is also said. Mami vajaprapadante mayami tankaranti. Anyone who is fully surrendered, he can conquer the Maya. Just like Haridas Thakur conquered Maya. She came at dead of night, beautifully dressed, very young girl, and offered herself. But he conquered. Yes, I shall do. I shall enjoy with you. Please sit down. Let me finish my regular chanting process. Then you can enjoy. So he conquered Maya. Maya could not conquer. So these are the instances. And if we fall flat to be conquered by the Maya, then we have to struggle. This is also another struggle for existence. As the materialists, they are also struggling for existence for a few days or few years only. Our struggle is not for few days or few years, but eternal. The same struggle is there. Their process is different, our process is different. So we should be always conscious of our responsibility that will help us. We must be awake, uttishtata, always remain awakened. So, for regular 7 hours, sleep is sufficient. Why it should be more than that? What is the cause? Another cause may be that if we eat more, then sleep more. So in order to reduce the sleeping process, the eating process should be reduced. You can make tests. If you fast one day, don't take anything, you will see that there is less sleep. Is it not? Yes.
Sleep more.
Huh?
I generally find the first day of the fast I sleep. Second day I feel more tired.
Then continue fasting.
Yes. Well, for example, last night I ate very heavily, but this morning now I'm awake. I'm staying awake.
So why you eat heavily?
I did. I'm saying that incidentally I ate heavily, and this morning I'm not falling asleep.
So anyway, that you have to adjust, all of you. So how I shall not sleep more than 7 hours. 6 hours from 10 to 4, that is 6 hours complete. And 1 hour during daytime. No more sleeping. Unless you are sick. But why you young boys and girls, why should you fall sick? There is no question of falling sick. You have got your now blood running on. You are not old. Your stomach is working nice. So you should adjust. For a devotee, to reduce this is the process. This ahara nidra bhayamitham. Eating, sleeping, mating and defending, they should be reduced. To come to the point, no sleeping, no eating. And that is not possible. But spiritual, when one, just like Raghunath Das Goswami, he came to that point. And no sleeping, no eating. All the Goswamis, they are not sleeping more than 2 hours. So, why about Goswamis? Even big karmis like Subhas Bose, Gandhi, they were also not sleeping. I heard that Napoleon Bonaparte, he was not sleeping. He was sleeping when he was passing from one warfield to another on his horse. He slept, that's all. He never went to the bedroom for sleeping. Gandhi used to do that. He would sleep when he was passing from one station to one in the motor car, he would sleep. Then again he would begin work.
Sometimes he sleeps only for 5 minutes. Only for 5 minutes and then he relaxes. Can we do that?
Yes, but Gandhi was very regular in his eating. He would take simply a cup of goat's milk and few peanuts and someday 1 or 2 chapati. Otherwise he will not take it. And some oranges.
I heard he used to take Rahotia,
Huh?
a root. Not root. A particular root which has
That is for blood pressure medicine. Blood pressure medicine, that is different thing. And she was eating very little. His secretaries, his grandson and granddaughter-in-law, and some other girls, they were assisting. So he would, even in the jail, government, when he will imprison him, he will take his goat. A great politician, he would not accept government supplied food. The goat must be milk before him. And the milk is made hot and given to him. He would not allow any other food. Then he'll starve. He'll fast. The government was obliged to give him whatever he wanted, his food. And so Gandhi was not sleeping very much. Even not really. Subhash Bose, he was not sleeping very much. And Napoleon Bonaparte, he also was not sleeping very much. So there are many instances, even the Karmi. That means when one is engaged in some serious business, he sleeps more, less. I was in New York when I was not attacked by the heart. So at night I was taping, and I was taping still 2 tapes. 2 tapes. Therefore I was able to write so many books. Yes. So one should be engaged in serious business, then sleeping will be less. If there is if we become lazy, if we have not sufficient engagement, then sleeping will come. Sufficient engagement, but sufficient eating, then the next result is sleep. So we have to adjust things. We should not sleep more than 7 hours. 6 hours at night, 1 hour. Very sufficient. And from medical point of view, they say 6 hours sleeping is sufficient. 6 hours. So suppose if we sleep 7 to 8 hours, 1 hour more, then out of 24 hours we sleep 8 hours, then 16 hours, and chanting 2 hours, 10 hours, and for taking bath and dressing another 2 hours. Then 8 hours and 4 hours, 12 hours. So, then I have taken that. 2 hours for taking bath and eating. And 8 hours for sleeping, 10 hours. And 2 hours for chanting, 12 hours. And still you have got 12 hours for Krishna service. Is there any mistake? Just calculate. While there should be, I worked so hard, I had therefore I am sleeping more. To find out an excuse. I was dysentery. Why you dysentery? Why does he dysentery? Unless you eat more. In this way, personally we have to adjust things. Not that by dictation or by rules and regulations. The personal affairs cannot be adjusted by rules and regulations. It can be adjusted by oneself. And then everything will be all right. Sankha purvaka nama ganana tibi kalava sanikito nidrahara vihara kali vidito chattanto dino chudi Radha Krishna padaravinda bhajana nandina mattaliko. You save time in this way, and Radha Krishna bhajananandena mattaliko. Be jolly in the service of Radha Krishna bhajanananda. That should be the basis of jolliness. And this should be adjusted and minimized according to our real pleasure should be in bhajananandena. Radha Krishna Padaravinda Bhajananandena. In this way, we are taking very serious job. In this life, we want to finish this material existence for good. That should be the responsibility. That we are going to finish this material existence for good. No more coming. Tatta deham punarjanma naiti. We take responsibility in that way, then everything will be adjusted. Serious. My Guru Maharaj used to say like that. that finish this business in this life. Don't delay for the next life. He was telling also that don't give me trouble again to come here to deliver it. That is the responsibility of the spiritual master. Spiritual master responsibility is to take the disciple to Krishna until he is able to do, to help him. That is the body of the Shastra. Just like Bilavangal Thakur. His spiritual master delivered him, taking the shape of a prostitute. So this, and the stories are there, we have to take responsibility. The first thing is that we have taken very, very responsible task to finish this so-called lording over this material nature. The material life means everyone is trying to lord over the material. Bhoga. And we cannot do that is not possible, therefore we are in trouble. This very mentality that I shall lord it over everyone in the material world. And so long this, I shall serve Krishna, not lord it over. Well, this is the opposite. This is material mentality. I shall lord it over. The whole world is struggling. Everyone is thinking, I lord it over. I shall be over everyone. My vote shall be the largest number. I shall become. And our business is not to lord it over, but to serve Krishna. So, this Vishnu Duta, we have to become Vishnu Duta. Our preachers are Vishnu Duta, just to give protection to any person who is slightly inclined towards the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is Pancharatra. We shall give all help, all assistance to such person. That is our business. It is not sleeping business, it is not lazying business. We should be always active. We shall always make plans, think how to protect this miserable condition of the materialists. They cannot understand. They are fools, they are rascals. So you have to give them knowledge, you have to give them help. That is missionary activity. Missionary activity is not laziness or sleeping. They take, my Guru Maharaj used to say that prana se jara se the Buddha. That I have got a dozen of disciples and I have got a temple and people are contributing. Now I have got a good arrangement for eating and sleeping. Now I am perfect. Because I am getting some food without any work and honor, then I am perfect. And this is not a mentality. Prana se jana. He must be engaged continually for this missionary activity. The Gaudiya Mission has failed in preaching work because they adopted this principle. As soon as they got a little shelter under the name of mosque or temple, and a few dozen of, not few dozen, 1 dozen, then he must settle up there. Now he is bhajan, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And saying that he is very great chanter. And what is he preaching? Lord Chaitanya ordered you, why don't you go? Why we are in India? Therefore, my Guru Maharaj condemned this person. Man to me, Kishara Vaishnava. What kind of Vaishnava you are? Pratishtharatare, Nirjanadhare. And simply for cheap popularity, he is a Vaishnava, he is chanting all that. Pratishtharatare, Nirjanadhare. Swabhari Nirjanadhare, no botheration, because there is no preaching, there is no botheration. You can sit down and show people, I have now become a very liberated soul, and chant or meditate, then when sleeping. This sort of business is condemned by my Guru Maharaj. Pratishtharatare nijjana ghare tavahari naam kevala. This is simply cheating. He did not approve this kind of business. He did not approve. He wanted to see that everyone is engaged in preaching work. Some sort of preaching work. Either indoor or outdoor. When you are indoor, you have to be busy writing articles on for magazine, proofread, so many things indoor. And outdoor, you have to go door to door, make them member, make them interested in this movement, collect money for expenses. Then outdoor, preaching, you have to meet opposing elements. So many will criticize, so many will attack. Nityananda Prabhu was hurt personally, but still outdoor. This is missionary work. Not that whenever I find some opportunity, go to some solitary place and sleep. This is not missionary life. So we should adjust things, not that all night is going on. No. We have got very responsible business, Krishna consciousness. It is genuine, it is authorized, and Lord Chaitanya wants us to do it all over the world. The things should be adjusted and keep us always alive to our sense of responsibility.